Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, my name is Akash and you are watching me on SkyTech. If you are new in our family, then subscribe my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon, and let's start our new video after this small intro. So let's start. Firstly go to the new, then go to the part, then click all the planes and click on show. Then we need to sketch a spline, so select any plane. So I'm selecting front plane. So select the spline feature from the sketch, then draw the shape by using spline feature. So create any profile by using splines. So I am just creating any irregular profile that's in my mind. So just close the profile up to the origin by taking the reference of origin. So I'll draw that. Now we need to revolve it. So we are just taking a reference line from the center. So let's choose a center line from the line command. Then draw the center line, which is start from the origin. Now our object is ready to go with the feature commands. So exit sketch and go to the feature, then go to the revolve boss. There is no need of selection, which already take down our objects. Then click on yes, just change the thickness and then click on yes. So our profile is created, which is a pod. So we are just drawing a pod by using simple spline technique. Spline and revolve boss only by these commands. This is baseless pod, so we need to draw a base. So choose any plane. If you want to change the shape, then you can move the spline. Then we need a reference line to draw the base. So we are selecting baseline and go to the convert entities. We got the reference line. So go to the line and draw the line. So we draw the taper line, which is a perfect base for that. And we also use the another line from the bottom part of that taper line to connect the origin line. Then for again we can revolve it. So we need center line. So we also draw a center line. Then we can trim the another line, which is we taken up for the reference. So our sketch is complete. So exit sketch, then go to the feature revolve, then again go to the feature revolve, and there is no need to select anything which is already taken. So just click yes. So let's see our object without any planes. So hide the planes.